Booking a multi-city ticket with Spirit is fairly straightforward. So what you need to do is go to their official website. And once you're there, you see where you would input your flight details. Go ahead and click on the round trip button. It's going to take you to multi-city and it's going to give you the different options. And you can see here you can add another flight. So let's say you wanted to fly from Louisville to, we'll just say Montego Bay, Jamaica. And from Montego Bay, you want to go from onward to Montego Bay to Myrtle Beach, we'll say. And then back from Myrtle Beach, we're gonna fly to Louisville. And you can add as many flights as you need. You can see here, double check these dates. Obviously these are all the same day, so we're gonna wanna change these. I'll say we're gonna go to Montego Bay for, we'll say a week, and then onward to Myrtle Beach. We're gonna go back to Louisville. We're gonna do another week there, and I'm gonna hit search, and it's gonna take a minute to load. And you can see here, it's giving me my first flights option. You can see here that from Louisville to Montego Bay, you've got a layover here in Orlando. It's a bit of a long day, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna click on whichever price works for me. The next option we've got here, we've got Montego Bay to Myrtle Beach. You can see here we have 3 hours and 13 minutes in Fort Lauderdale. I would say that's a good amount of time. That gives us time to clear immigration back into the US. I'm just gonna click here on that Savers Club. And you see here, it says that there are no available seats on this day I've selected. So I'm just gonna, we'll say we'll do another day in Myrtle Beach. Doesn't hurt, does it? And you see here from Myrtle Beach to Louisville, we've got another layover in Orlando. It just is what it is. I'm gonna click on that flight there, and then it's gonna take a second to load, and it's gonna give me my options. What, do I wanna take a personal item? Do I wanna pick my own seat? Whichever works for me. I'll just say I just wanna book it in this case. And if you've got a Savers Club, you can do this. And then once you're ready, it's gonna take a minute to load. And then you enter in your passenger details. Make sure it matches your passport. In this case, we've got an international flight. We want to make sure that definitely matches the passport. You've got information here about real ID, so just make sure everything matches and that you have the correct documentation for your flights. You need to input your contact information, any Spirit's information, and once you're ready, you click continue, and then you'll be onward to book your flight with Spirit. And that's it. It's that easy.